Pasig City is an area located in the metropolitan Manila. It serves more than 500,000 people and becomes a hub for different institutions and businesses. It is one of the oldest towns in the Philippines, founded in year 1573. It started to urbanize in 1994 through the Republic Act 7829. And with the advent of technology in the country, the Pasig City government started to utilize the information and communication technologies to promote the services of its offices to better serve its people. This initiative paved way to the transformation of the Pasig City to becoming a smart city. Modern technologies help the Pasig City government in monitoring its areas and its people. It has installed CCTV cameras that transmit real-time data to the Control and Command Center, or C3. It has been useful for traffic monitoring, disaster preparedness, and emergency response.
Napakalaki pong bagay sa amin kasi una, ang kapayapaan ng aming bayan ay hindi namin matumbasan ng bayan. Napakagaan, napakasarap maninirahan sa Pasig.
Without compromising nature, Pasig City government coupled its technology use with environment consciousness to ensure sustainability of nature for the future generations. Pasig City also digitized a system to enable easier access and more efficient access to government services. Along with the changes being made in Pasig City, the Pasigeños are also equipped by their government to be the smart citizens they are now.
Komportable ka talagang gumalaw, kumilos, at hindi ka po yung kakaba-kaba na mamaya kung ano mangyari sa'yo. At least na-monitor ka. Mas talagang protective talaga.
Sa pamamagitan po niyang ating mga high-tech equipment, ayan, kampante po ang mga tao magnegosyo dito sa Pasig, manirahan dito sa Pasig, hanggat napakaganda po lugar ito.
Integrating technology, environmental consciousness, and its people is Pasig City's key in becoming a smart city. Smart governance for its smart citizens.